This is a sweet corn speed eating competition. Children like to eat and have fun. Let's see who will be the winner.
Wait, we're going to count.
One, two, three. This is the corn eating competition. Corn eating
Oh, I love
competition.
St. John's Primary. She is definitely
A beast. Jeremy, you need to see what Jody is doing. Take your time, take your time. Need to drink, need to drink.
drinks.
No, they don't need a drink for the
Don't need no
yeah,
drinks
they
on the
can't
card.
have liquid. Oh, we have a
Oh,
winner.
we have a winner. Oh, my, we have a winner.
Who's next? Who's next?
So, winner is St.
Angel Primary.
Angel's Primary.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
And then we
St.
have
John's, you're second.
there is Chin.
Chin, look at Chin.
Chin on in third.
We have Chin in third. Fourth place goes to
I used to
St. Francis and no. That was a lot more.
my stick came off.
Boy, the girls are so beating the boys.
In your face.
The one here.
Right here.
Tiana, what did you do with the corn?
I never saw that Angels was finished. Long time.
Jody, you jump off so quick, but didn't make it.
Why come on in?
And Chin, I'm proud of you. I've been here for a reason.
Very, very proud. So, St. Francis in fourth place.
Brandon.
London in fifth place.
Again.
Corn is stuck in his teeth.
Alright,
Good
so
morning, of course, struggling with the corn.
Lex, you become lost.
Well, Lexi did her best. Lexi did her best.
Alright, so that was the corn eating
Chicken and good.
competition.
Chicken. Ketchup juice.
Alright.
Corn eating competition. Proud. So, now we have the chicken competition coming up within a minute.
Alright, don't you